Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen here. I'm back in Mama's Kitchen, so you know I've got delicious, easy recipes for you today. Merry Christmas. It's the holiday season, y'all. Busy mornings, so how about a breakfast casserole this week? I got a pound of sausage that I browned off. To this, I'm gonna add a cup of green onions. These are spring onions that we've chopped up. You know, I like a little bit of the green and I like a little bit of the white. The green's got all the pretty, the white's got all the flavor. So I'm gonna let this go for about 1 minute. Now what we're gonna need for this, y'all, is some eggs and some tater tots. This is a dish that you can put together the night before, and like Christmas Eve, you can put this in your refrigerator, and then Christmas morning, you pop it right into the oven. That's what Brooke and I are gonna do this year, because who has time to make breakfast on Christmas morning? Tough, tough, tough. My sausage is going good. I got my onions stirred in here. They've been going for about a minute. That's enough. So I've got a prepared pan here that I'm gonna put them into. To make sure I don't catch myself on fire. I'm gonna put this in the bottom of the pan. And you notice they did not ask me to drain this off. And I'm fine with that because there's a lot of flavor in those drippings. Now to this, I'm gonna add 2 cups of tater tots. I'm gonna put this right here, and then I'm also gonna stir in some cheese. I'm gonna put about probably half of my cheese that I have here. Clean these up. Okay, and then we're gonna mix this mixture together in our pan. I'm gonna get this good and mixed up, and when y'all come back, I'm gonna start getting into the egg business. I tell y'all what, this is gonna be great on Christmas morning. It's gonna be really good today. I came in hungry. I'm having this for lunch. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do now. I got a big bowl. I'm gonna put my eggs in, a pile of eggs, 2 cups of milk. We got some black pepper, some garlic powder. We got a little bit of salt, and we have 1 tablespoon of Dijon. Dijon adds such a beautiful, complex flavor. I love it. Now we're gonna whip this up. Whip, 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 whip. While I'm doing this, I'll tell y'all, we were up in Pigeon Forge for Thanksgiving, and I made a new friend. And Teresa, I know you're watching. And we talked about empanadas. So just after the first of the year,
yum.
Teresa, I'm gonna make empanadas.
Nice.
Not you, Teresa, the other Teresa, but every Teresa out there, I'm making empanadas coming up at the end of the year.
Oh, it was a Teresa that taught you how to make them?
Teresa.
Nice.
Teresa, you know who you are. I talked to you at Thanksgiving. And I said, you know what? I want to make empanadas. I make a fantastic sloppy joe with red bell peppers. I put them in at the very end to keep them crispy. So what I'm going to do is a sloppy joe empanada. That's coming up thanks to you, Teresa. Okay. I got my eggs. Everything's mixed up here. Now, you know,
pimento cheese. Where did they go?
Oh, yeah. That's right. We got some pimentos that I'm going to stir in. Now, I love red peppers. I don't know how much flavor this is going to bring, but it's certainly going to make it look more pretty with that red in there. So this eggs mixture goes right over the top. I'm making this for Christmas this year. I'm making it for me and y'all and everybody, and I'm having it for lunch today. Now on top of this goes the rest of these tater tots. And they're gonna cook down in these eggs, my goodness gracious. Now this one's going in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes, but right here is the spot where you would stop. Make sure all this is cool, covered up, put it in your fridge, you can cook it tomorrow. I'm cooking this today though. 350, 45 minutes. Okay, y'all, we've got it cooked through. The center is nice and solid. So I'm gonna top it with the remaining. This is gonna be so good, y'all. I'm eating this today. So we got our rest of our cheese going on here. Now this is just gonna go back into the oven for only a few minutes to melt this cheese. So y'all don't go too far. Get your forks ready. Now look, Tater Tot breakfast casserole. I'm telling you, for Christmas morning, oh, you wake up and then you got your potatoes and your sausage and your cheese and your eggs and oh my gosh, the pimentos are so pretty in there. It says to let it cool for about 15 minutes before you eat it, so let's dive right in. It's not an episode of me at Mom's unless I burn the roof of my mouth off. Whew, that's hot. It is really hot. Y'all, Christmas Day is one of my favorite days of the year. If you got kids around the house, it's also one of the busiest, most stressful days in the year. If you can find this recipe, it's in Mom's Magazines. It's on shelves now. They got a tremendous savings, I think, for a year's subscription. Y'all look up the hash brown tater tot casserole with sausage. It is fantastic. It will make your Christmas day easy, merry, and bright. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. I'm Jamie Deen. This is Good Food. See you around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.